You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, November the 18th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've been away for a week. I've been away in New York on business, but now it's time to get down to business. I've got 6 great press releases for you this morning, 5 from the Canadian side, 1 from the U.S. side, and a ton of great gold results. And given the current market conditions, gold's trading at $735. There's a lot of fire sales going on, so these are some press releases you want to pay attention to. Our lead story, Temex Resources, trades on TSX Venture under the symbol TME, and for our European friends on the Frankfurt under the symbol TQ1. The company is announcing that initial drilling has intersected high-grade gold mineralization from the deep drill program on the Whitney Township property, which is located within the 65 million ounce Timmins Gold Camp. Now, significant results that we've got coming out of the company. Assay results received from the pilot hole include 21 grams per ton over 7 or 6.5 meters, which includes 270 grams per ton of gold over half a meter, 4.5 grams per ton of gold over 1 meter, and 3.47 grams per ton of gold over 1 meter. So great numbers coming out of Temex this morning. Now, for additional details pertaining to this news release, please be sure to tune in to the Beyond the Press Release interview with Temex Management, which you can find right here on the front page of AGORACOM. A little bit about the company. Temex Resources is a Canadian exploration company and with an expanding portfolio of high-quality mineral exploration properties. Company's last at 8.5 cents, high of 80 cents, low of 6 cents. Moving on to our next company, Plato Gold. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol PGC. The company is reporting on their Nordeau West property, which is east of Val-d'Or, which is located in Quebec. They're reporting significant gold assay intervals from the mineralized zone, which includes hole number 7, which returned 4.28 grams per ton of gold over 8 meters. 5.5 grams per ton over 3 meters, that's in hole number 10, and 18.8 grams per ton over half a meter in hole number 12. So great numbers for gold coming out of Plato Gold this morning. A little bit about the company. Plato Gold is a Canadian junior resource exploration company listed on a TSX Venture, which has Canadian exploration projects in Northern Ontario, Northern Quebec, and the Lolita property, which is in the province of Santa Cruz, Argentina. Company's lost at 4 cents. High of 12 cents, low of 4 cents, on a market cap of approximately $2.4 million. And disclaimer time, Plato is an AGORACOM client, along with the first company, Temex Resources. Moving on to Garson Gold Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol GG. They're reporting on hole number 81, which intersected 39 meters of 2.2 grams per ton of gold near surface at its 100% owned New Britannia mine property, which is located in Snow Lake, Manitoba. Further, we've got hole number 42, which intersected 5 grams per ton of gold over a length of 6.5 meters. And finally, hole number 79 intersected 2.2 grams per ton of gold over a length of 26 meters. A little bit about the company. Garson Gold holds a 100% interest in the New Britannia Mine project in Snow Lake, Manitoba, as well as the Copper Prince and the McMillan Gold Mine properties, which are located in Ontario. Company's last at 4 cents, high of 35 cents, low of 3 cents. Moving on to Firestone Ventures. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol FV. They also trade on the Frankfurt under the symbol F5V. The company announced that it's completed its National Instrument 43101 resource estimate for the Torlon zinc oxide deposit, which is located in Guatemala. Now, the combined measured and indicated zinc, lead, silver resource was estimated at a 3% zinc equivalent cutoff to be 1.9 million tons, grading 10.5% zinc equivalent. So great numbers coming out of Firestone. Congratulations to them. Disclaimer time, they are also an AGORACOM client. A little bit about the company. They're based in Edmonton, Alberta, and they're exploring the Torlon Hill Zinc project, which is located in Guatemala. Company's last at 6 cents, high of 60 cents, low of 6 cents, so they're currently at their low. You might want to take a look at this one. Moving on, Committee Bay Resources, they trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol CBR and also on the Frankfurt under the symbol C3M. The company is announcing the final drill results and successful completion of the 2008 underground drill program at its 100% owned Niblack project, which is located in southeast Alaska. The company is reporting that Lookout 1 footwall mineralization extended at least 130 meters west of the defined resource area with an intercept of 4.9 grams per ton of gold, 85 grams per ton of silver, 1.9% copper, and 5% zinc over 79 meters. So big numbers coming out of the company. A resource update is expected in Q2 of 2009. A little bit about the company. Committee Bay is a well-funded Canadian-based exploration company with 100% ownership in 2 advanced exploration projects in North America and several early-stage projects, including the Jardy Hills project in Western Australia, last at 5.5 cents, high of 43, low of 5. And finally, I've got VillageEDOCS. This is an OTC BB company. They trade under the symbol VEDO. They're announcing financial results for the third quarter ended September 30th, 2008. Consolidated net revenue was $4.3 million for Q3, which is up 19% from 3.5 or 3.6 in Q3 of 07. And net revenue for the 9 months is also up 8% to $11 million over the prior year's period. They've got record a net income of $318,000 in Q3 compared with a net loss of $43,000 in Q3 07. So it looks like they've turned the corner to profitability. That's always a big number people should be looking for if you're investing in small cap companies. Operating expenses through 9 months ended September 30th, 2008, which decreased by 9% over prior year period, with operating expenses at corporate level also decreasing 21%. So great news coming out of VillageEDOCS. A little bit about the company. They're a leading provider of comprehensive business-to-business information delivery and document management services and products. Company's last at 1.5 cents, high of 12 cents, low of 1 cent. Obviously, they've got a lot of shares outstanding. That's something to always be wary about. And it has a market cap of $2.3 million. That's a wrap for the great press releases this morning. I have no halts to report on at this time. However, if you are interested in stock halts, please visit our friends at stockhalt.com, where you get instant notifications as soon as a company is halted and instant notification as soon as a company resumes trading. It's your best shot at making money off of stock halts. That's a wrap for this morning's show. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open.